Great idea for cooking meat. Roll out the puff pastry with a rolling pin. Place the dough on the egg mold. Make indentations in the dough. Add a teaspoon of mustard. Cut the prosciutto into small pieces. Place the prosciutto on top of the mustard. Finely chop 2 onions. Fry the onion. Finely chop the mushrooms. Add the mushrooms to the pan. Season with black pepper and salt. Add the filling. Cut the pork tenderloin into small pieces. Fry the meat in the pan with vegetable oil, with black pepper and salt. Place the fried meat on top of the filling. Brush the dough with egg. Cover the filling with dough. Turn the pie over in the baking pan. Cut off the excess dough. Brush the pie with beaten egg. Bake for 35 minutes. In the melted butter, add lemon zest. Lemon juice. Finely chopped garlic. Mustard. Sweet paprika. Dried thyme. Chili flakes. Finely chopped parsley. Finely chopped green onion. Salt. And black pepper. Mix the sauce well.